Welcome drone video fans, my name is Bill, and in this 4-minute video we're going to take a look at this 12-unit Ferris wheel located on the property of the Old Firehouse Winery here in Geneva-On-The-Lake, Ohio. As I was getting ready to shoot this, all of a sudden one of my batteries in my Evo decided to show up as bad, so the Evo shot straight up and went into its return to home routine. Kind of startled me until I looked at my controller and realized what was going on. So we had a lot more video on that first thing, but we just decided to end it and cut it out of the video and put a fresh battery in there and take off and reshoot what we were planning on. So right in front of us, very colorful, nice 12-unit Ferris wheel located right on Lake Erie here in Geneva-On-The-Lake on the property of the Old Firehouse Winery. We're going to climb up to altitude here and get above it and look down and take a look at it. You can imagine be on a summer evening coming out here and enjoying a bottle or two of wine and maybe taking a ride here on this Ferris wheel with your significant other. And as you can see, it's facing the lake. It's facing in a northwesterly direction, so during the summertime you'd be able to go up in the evening and see catch a nice sunset over the lake, which would be kind of nice to see. So you can see the it's brightly painted, all kinds of colors here, and we're gonna get right over the top and look down into the seats. This is probably a little bit bigger than the ones you might see at a fair, but not quite as big as the ones you see at amusement parks. But it's kind of nice. There's benches down there for people to sit down and watch in the evening, and there's trails and paved pathways along the lake, so people can walk along the shoreline if they desire after they're done enjoying a bottle of wine. So just thought it would make an interesting shoot on a early morning here in October. And we're gonna pan up here, and as I said, in this direction you would be seeing the sunset at nighttime over Lake Erie, which would be kind of nice. So you can see that we got a little bit of a horizon issue there, but it usually corrects itself after a moment. As you can tell, they're looking out over the Lake Erie, and we're facing in a little bit different direction, and decided to back up, and we're just going to drop it down and catch a little bit more of the area, including one other attraction or feature that they have here. It's one of those things where you stand behind a prop and stick your face through a hole and makes it looks like you're a bicycle or a motorcycle rider. You're going to see it here in a moment as we get lower. Anyways, so just a little something to put up and have some fresh video on the channel. There in the lower right hand corner you see the motorcycle guy, and I was going to go and let the Evo hover and go stand behind that and get my face in the view, but after the little glitch we had with the battery, I didn't want to take any chances. So there you are, as the motorcycle. So I hope you enjoyed this short video of showing the Old Firehouse Winery here in Geneva-On-The-Lake. If you care to leave a comment, come back again soon. We'll be putting up videos of the fall colors fairly soon as the leaves change color. Thanks for stopping by and watching.